Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is Lemon-Lime Nandinas from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. Lemon-Lime Nandina is a compact growing Nandina that only gets 3 to 4 feet in height, maybe 3 feet in width. Can actually be kept smaller than that. The main draw of this plant is it has lime green new foliage on it throughout the growing season, and it will brighten any space you put it in. This is an unbelievable foundation plant. I've got 1, 2, 3 sitting here. I'm going to practically have to do zero maintenance on these. I can prune them in the late winter if I ever need to control the size on them. I'll fertilize them at that exact same time every year with some sort of slow release fertilizer, and that's it. There's just zero maintenance on these. Some people are concerned on Nandina domestica about them being invasive. These are not invasive. They actually are sterile cultivars, which is fantastic. So we don't have to worry about that. These are these will take full sun or part shade. I've got them in a part shade condition here, and I'm probably less than half a day sun in this space, and so I'm not getting quite as much of the new color on it as I would if I was in a little more sun, but it's still doing a great job of brightening up this this little dark spot along my foundation. I've got it sitting next to a purple Daydream Loropetalum. That is a perfect combination of plants. That's why I wanted to get that in the frame with this Lemon-Lime Nandina. These are hardy in zone 6 to 9. This is a plant that you can stick it in the ground, keep it mulched, keep the weeds away from it, fertilize it in the late winter, and nothing else. Just super, super low maintenance. They're ultra drought tolerant once they're established. The first year you'll want to do a little bit of watering on it. Once they're established, if you're in an area that gets regular rainfall, very little additional water would ever need to be added to this plant. So be on the lookout for these Lemon-Lime Nandinas from the Southern Living Plant Collection. Thanks for watching. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.